how to send Google Meet invitation link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to send Google Meet invitation link, then what you can do is you can head over to your Google Chrome and then tap in the nine dots, scroll down, go to Meet, and then tap on New Meeting, and then you can tap on Create a Meeting for Later, and you'll get the meeting link. Just tap on the Copy Link option, and you can see that the meeting link has been copied. Now you can just paste it in the DMs and send it to the people whom you want to join the Google Meet. And that's it. It's as simple as that. People will join and you just need to admit them, and you can use it whenever you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.